Notion Automations app. The pros, the cons. The Notion Automations app is more than just a workflow enhancer. Most people get this wrong. It allows users to automate tasks, reminders, and database updates within Notion, transforming it from a note-taking app into a powerful productivity hub. On the pro side, Notion supports automations through integrations with tools like Zapier, Make, and native database rules. You can trigger actions like updating a status, sending reminders, or creating new entries when conditions are met. This is perfect for project tracking, content calendars, and team workflows. The interface is visually clean, and automations can be customized to match your team's exact processes. Recurring tasks and linked databases make maintaining consistent workflows much easier. On the con side, Notion's native automation capabilities are limited compared to dedicated platforms like ClickUp or Monday.com, and many users rely on third-party integrations. Advanced setups may require technical knowledge or additional subscription plans. The learning curve can be steep for teams unfamiliar with Notion's database structure. In conclusion, the Notion Automations app is excellent for individuals and small teams looking to streamline processes and maintain organized workflows. While some advanced features require integrations or paid tools, its flexibility, visual clarity, and database automation make it a versatile productivity solution for managing tasks, projects, and information efficiently.